2.5 hours after the operation. Lumbar decompression for spondylolisthesis and stabilization. How are you feeling?
Better than before.
Yeah. Any pain in your leg?
No.
No pain?
No.
Any weakness? Numbness?
No.
No? Good. Let me see you walking.
But I mean there's a lot of medicine and stuff there now. Can
No,
you
it's
bring
all-
it back later on?
No, it's all freed up. The nerve is all nice and free.
So what did you take away, like the facet and stuff?
Shaved enough to free up the nerve. What about your posture?
Well, I've always found it a bit difficult.
Do you feel you're standing straighter?
Yeah, well, I mean, in the mornings I didn't really feel stupid,
Mm.
but by the evening I did feel a bit
Yes.
like that.
But right now you can fully stand and it feels okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. 2.5 hours. You'll be going home shortly?